stand ready. The damned stand ready. Thy bidding, Master. Yes, Master. I gladly obey. Thy will be done.
More gold is required.
Our caravan will soon set off, and we will need your help to complete our task.
Yours to command.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
Thy bidding, chilling. Dead man walking, dead man walking. By your word, embrace the cold. I will crush you. So be it. Is this chilling? It is destined.
Thank you for helping me. Wait a minute.
Your words is destined. Chilling.
Research complete.
Thy bidding. So be it. I am sworn to Ner'zhul.
Prince Arthas, the undead forces have arrived. Hold your ground. We are the chosen of the light. We shall not fall.
Yours to command. I am sworn to Ner'zhul. Thy bidding, dead man. By your word, direct me. Yours to command.
Research complete.
I will crush you. So be it.
is
attack.
required. Inventory is full.
It is destined. Yours to command. By your word. Chilling. Direction.
Research
It is
complete.
destined. Sworn to Nezul. Dead man walking.
Where shall my blood be spilled? Thy bidding, Master.
Direct me. Thy bidding, I am sworn to Nezul. Yours to command. So be it. Chilling. Thy bidding, it is destined. So be it, dead man walking. By your word, dead man walking. By your word. I am sworn to Nezul.
Summon more cigarettes.
Direct me, chilling. It is destined. So be it.
Summon more cigarettes.
So be it. It is destined. Yours to command.
Upgrade. I bow to your will. Thy will be done.
Direct me. I am sworn to Nezul. Thy bidding. Yours to command.
Be free, my limbs!
My life
Our
for
brethren's
Nezul.
town is under attack.
I wish only to serve. Yes, sir.
Our forces are under attack.
Sworn to Nezul. Embrace the land.
More gold is required.
Our forces are under attack.
So be it. Children.
Summoning is complete.
Master, my brethren. If we lose the shipment, the Master will have our hides. Prince Arthur, we've spotted an undead caravan carrying a large load of plagued grain. That caravan must be stopped before it reaches the outer villages.
More gold is
Our
required.
forces are under attack. Prince Arthas! They infected the first village! Its inhabitants will tear us apart!
Damn it! I want that caravan stopped before it reaches the next village.
More gold rest required. Await.
Humans are besieging our caravan. We need help.
The caravan has infected the second village.
How many times must I order it? I want that caravan destroyed.
The caravan must be saved. Otherwise, Lord Mal'Ganis will rip our heads off.
So be it. Chilling.
Research complete.
Prince Arthas, look at the sky. It has started snowing in our area. No. My lord, these are ice stalactites. Hold on, warriors.
Thy bidding is destiny.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack. Research complete.